just me and you, kid.
Oh, hello. I got my umbrella.
Miranda, where did you go all week?
Me and Riley went to Florida with my grandma and grandpa.
She left me all by my lonesome. So mean. They didn't even take me to Disney with them. How rude.
We at least got her souvenirs.
She did. She thought of me a little bit. I guess I can let her slide.
Are we doing the goats? Yeah, we're doing the goats.
Well, not technically. This is just bird food I'm tossing for the turkeys.
Why?
Oh look, we're feeding the sparrows too.
Oh my gosh,
This guy's got a horrible attitude. His day is coming.
yeah.
Hello?
Hello in there?
One little eggy.
Yeah, there's...
Here you go, have an egg.
Yeah, there's really one.
And another egg. And another egg. Oh, that's a poopy egg. We really need to clean out the nesting boxes. How many babies do you think are in here?
I don't know. His belly is pretty big.
She's round. She's a big round girl.
It's only like...
How fluffy.
It's only like 4 weeks until they should start having babies.
Yep, we got about a month left.
Oh gosh.
Ruby's getting wild. She's serious about her food.
Really?
Poop Scooper Sutton. She's a professional. Hi. Close up. Okay, we're gonna need a shovel, a rake, a wagon. I think that's it. Right? What did you find? Please.
She's over there. On the other side.
I got a moo-moo!
Moo, come on in.
Here you go. Go in.
Come on
Into the tunnel.
in. In. Go in. Oh my gosh. He's like, woohoo, I love this.
We got Bubba outside. He's not in a very good mood today.
But
He's a little on the crabby
driving
side.
the tractor.
He's occupied
He
now.
might show.
He's serious. He just wants to cuddle. His days are numbered. Hi, Daddy. Hey, Buttercup, quit. Listen, if you brush Reba, you're gonna get Reba hair on you. It's just, you gotta accept it.
Oh, what? The chicken is...
Crazy chicken. Daddy, that's not food. Alright, basically what we just did was... oh, okay. What just happened?
No, she jumped off of that and she flapped her wings all the way over there and then jumped over it.
Why? I wonder if she got stung. She acted like she was hurt. That was really random. She's still running. Poor little thing. You okay? She may have gotten stung. Anywho, what we were just doing was grabbing our two boar girls. Boar goat girls. The black and white ones here.
Cookie and cream.
They've definitely got something going on. So both of them got horrible swelling on their bottom jaws. Yeah, I just dosed her again and I gave one to Cream, the mostly white one right next to her.
Yeah, we didn't really want to give them that though because they're pregnant. Probably.
Yeah, they are both due to kid next month, so
We don't actually
I don't like
know.
overdoing it on the medicine like that. We might end up losing them that way, but I don't want to lose them. The way things are going with these two, they've not been healthy goats for us at all. So if we can get them to have healthy kids, they're probably both going to be sold.
Yeah. because they just...
It's just not worth it to me to put that much time and energy into goats if they're gonna be that sickly. We like the hardy breeds.
Yeah.
Like our big fat girl there who's
Yeah.
eating a bucket. All right, I'm gonna attempt to run in here and grab Gus and give him a dose of warmer. Distracted by the creeper. You doing, Reba?
That looks kind of scary, actually.
She's like, I'm waiting for the food. Where's that?
You already got your food, Reba. You don't get any more.
Hi, Tiny. Hello, buddy. I think he wants out. He's over it. Should we let him out? Okay. Oh, now he's eating again.
Okay, so we're taking Lou out because he's not really eating the grass and he wants out. Pretty open. Oh. Wow, okay.
He was happy about this. Oh, I'm killing him. He's dying.
I hope you guys enjoyed our video, and I hope you guys have a good day. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.